Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we are going to be creating a zebra, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is start out by making a circle shape. But we are not going to close our circle. We are going to keep it open at the top. See how I did that? I left a little area at the top open. The reason why I left it open is because I want to put a little patch of hair at the top. And the way that I do that is I make an upside down V and another upside down V. And then I'm going to make another V and another V. Just creates a little bit more interest. Let's put a little ear on each side. Zebra's ears are a little bit roundish. And those are just, I guess it would be upside down letter C's. Now, we're going to go down to the bottom part of our zebra's head, and we are going to make a curved line with two more curved lines inside. These are going to be his nostrils, where he breathes. Let's make some eyes. I'm going to make some eyes on this guy. They're going to be kind of an oval shape, and they're going to have a little bit of a shine mark on the inside. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to make some triangles, and these are going to be the stripes on our zebra's face. And when I go to color this in, I like to color my stripes black. I like to color my ears black, and the little patch of hair I like to color black as well. Now for the body, what we're going to do is we are going to come down and we are going to make a soft, I guess it would be like a curved line. So straight, curved, straight, curved, straight. That's going to be his body. His body is a little bit smaller than his head because this is a cartoon. Underneath this shape, we are going to make some, I guess they're kind of squarish shapes. And then behind, we are going to make kind of curved lines, and those are going to be his back feet. Straight line across, just like this, for his hooves. Going back up to one of the sides of his body, we're going to make a tail. You can make your tail coming down or up any way that you'd like it. And then we're going to finish off our zebra with some stripes. I like to make diagonal stripes. It's up to you though. You can make your stripes straight up and down if you'd like, or you can make them more diagonal. It's totally up to you. And then on his legs, I'm going to go the other way. Just like that. Now when I'm coloring these in, I'm going to color every other stripe in. I'll do a couple here. So you see how I did that? I colored this one black and I left this one white. Now I'm coloring this one black and I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I colored this one in black, left this one white, black and then white, and then I'm coloring this one in black. And I just repeat that pattern until I'm finished. Aww, I think he's so cute. I hope you like him. Bye.